Hello everyone, cordial greeting my tutoring classmates. I am Geraldine Olivos. I am a student of Bachelor degree on Foreign Language with emphasis in English of 3 semesters of UNAT. Today we are going to answer a question. What is longest that we've gone without doing laundry? The longest time I've been without washing clothes was 2 years ago when I had to travel for my brother's funeral. Being a violent deed, it took us several days there since it was in Arauca and I live in Pitama, Boyacá. They were like 6 days plus two of travel for a total 8 days. It was a lot of clothing. It was my husband, my two daughters, and me. I also remember try we made San Andres Island, where it took us about 6 days. The difference is that the boarding suites come back with a green hoodoo to see with sand. Very, very tedious to wash, but very, very happy to have been able to see the sea. In general, I always try to keep my clothes clean, wash every other day, and try to make the most of the washing machine. On the weekends, for example, I wash uniforms, sheets, towels, and if necessary, blankets too. I am lover of the King Swab, for it's the best. And of course, the Suavitel and chlorine. Their clothes bother me a lot. I love my clothes clean, with a pleasant smile, white, then very white, and the colors very bright. It's something I love. I try not only to smell good, ironing is essential. Seeing my family wearing it gives me a great feeling, a big smile. I believe that art in my cleanliness are something that comes from home. And what better way to teach my daughters than my example? That's all. Goodbye.